Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Sway Traverse Ballroom Turn. Now, we're not going to teach the Sway Traverse part of this, so I'm assuming you already know that one. In case you've not met one, the link is in the description below to go back and learn a Sway Traverse first. Assuming you can do one, you're going to be ready for one of these. It's one of those moves that looks great. You can cover a lot of ground with it. And a wooden dance floor obviously makes this a lot easier. So we're going to be doing a fairly cramped version, so we're going to have to be doing a fairly tight curve with it. And we're doing it on carpet, so this is probably not going to be the best it could be shown off, but we will muddle through. So let's show you how it goes. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So assuming you can do a normal Sway Traverse and you learned how to go around curves and things, we will walk through it from the top and then show you the key extra bit. So it starts off right to right. We get our standard Sway Traverse, so we go back, we wrap into the sway, we go back right, we go back left, and we're going to go forwards and we're going to do a full set. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do another full set into the little corner over there. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where we're going to change it. We're going to add our ballroom turn. So what happens is we're going to do the 1, 2 of the next set. 1, 2, we're going to add rotation to the right, and we're going to step back on the right, and we're going to keep turning to the right and step forward on the left, and then we're going to do the back steps that would have come next. 3, 4. Heading off into a final set, we're going to go 1, 2, and then all we're going to do is finish the sway off. Rock back 3, away, and face, return, and back. So simply put, what we've got is a normal set would go forward, forward, back, back, and we're going to add 2 steps turning to the right in the middle of that. So anywhere you're about to go back, back, you can put them in. So at some point you go forward, forward, turning, turning, back, back. And you could, if you wanted to and had the space, we don't here, you could equally go forward, forward, turn, 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 back, back, which is much more impressive and much easier to do on a wide open wooden dance floor. So let's do it again and we'll talk numbers. So it's going to go back 1, wrap 2, sway 3 and 4, walking forwards 5, walking back 6, walking forwards 7, walking back 8, walking forwards 1, we've got 2 steps of turning, 2, coming backwards 3, forwards 4, sway 5, away 6, face 7, returning 8 and back 1. Let's try it together. Let's see how we go. Right to right and 5, 6, Sway Traverse, Ballroom Turn. We go a back, wrap, back right, back left, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, turn, turn, back, back, forward, forward, sway, away, and face, return, and back. And that is the Sway Traverse with a Ballroom Turn. It's a bit of a beast, but if you like the Sway Traverse, it is a nice additional variation. It allows you to do extra bits that allow you to be more musical while you're moving around the floor. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking will help promote the move, subscribing will help promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And obviously if you hit the notification bell, you'll be told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe, You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.